Hello, game lovers. Welcome back to my YouTube channel with a new best meme coin. Yes, this is Squid Game coin, the most thrilling meme on the Tone network. This is official listing on the MEXC. You can join it if you want to get more information about that. You can get all these link in my video description. Now I am also going to share with you some fact. MEXC that is offering unmatched liquidity and rapid trade execution. You can check it is starting from 0.1 to 502. There is $33. This is a huge difference. Mean within last 24 hours, price has been increased to 100x. You can also join it right now, and this is your future. Here you can also follow them on their official Squid Meme official Twitter that is also offering a game on the Telegram. You can also play this game. Don't forget out, and there are more entertainment. You can also join them on their official Telegram channels too. Now it's time to fast grow meme token inspired by hit series Squid Game series. Yes, this is a hit, and that's why the price has been to a 1000x right now. And how you will play the game, I will provide the sport link in video description where you can open it into your Telegram. Already there are 1,25,000 plus player join. Now you have to click on the start, and there is also a game community link. You can join them if you want to play. Then there will be a interface like tab. We have to join this one. Now you can also scan this code and you can play it. I am going to my mobile screen so that I can show you how this play game you can also do whenever you want to get reward.
Friends, this is the Squid meme coin game that you are going to play into your Telegram application. We have to click on the play now. This is the game interface. One meme and 0.3 per 3 hour your rank. You have to click on the start. There is also 3 hours rest. We have to play the game. You can also check how you are going to connect your Binance, your OKX, Bitkit wallet, and there are many tasks you have to complete. Like here, you have to play the other games, and you can also click on the start. There you have to complete these tasks to get 0.3 point. There are sponsors tasks. If they have, then they will show you. If you want to play, you can click on it, and then you have to click on the start. This is roar coin. You can click on the check, and when task will be completed, you can easily check that this is working. So we have to come back, and there are many other tasks like there is play coin, and now as tasks have been completed, you can easily complete and now come to the home interface. Your balance will be shown, and there are also airdrop where you have to connect your Tone wallet, mean the open network wallet, and then you will be option here is the claim to wallet and exchange. Next is about the game. You can play and shoot the villain and get the reward. Like play every 3 hours to get a reward. We have to play. There is the option. Now there are some process that how one of them we have to choose. Here is my option, and we have got 0.1 as a meme token. And next you can connect with the comrade, means you can copy this link, spread with other friends to come join, and you can easily copy that. Yes, this is your chance to copy, share with your friends, and how much you will invite your friends, your reward will be that, and there is the token you can get. If you have to connect with your wallet, you can easily connect with your wallet, and then you can also swap it out. This is your time to join, and you can also get their leaderboard. on which your name, your player, how much they have meme token, you can also exchange for it. And I hope you have cleared all these things that are available. And if you have any questions still, now you can join on their official Twitter and you can also get all the update. See you soon.